Hi guys, press the bell button and then subscribe. Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna make a homemade ice cream. We have to use condensed milk, heavy whipped cream. The base will be the same, but the flavor of the ice cream will be different. I will use chocolate chip cookies, some chocolates, M&M's, cherry, peach, and sprinkles. So I got condensed milk, heavy whipped cream, and you could choose any flavor. I'm choosing vanilla. And the bowl you want to use, you have to put it in the freezer to get it cold, and even this. Now I'll start beating my whipping cream. I will beat till it gets thick. This is the stage that we have to beat till. Add condensed milk. Now I will transfer this into this box and I will put it into the freezer for 6 hours. Guys, I will taste a little bit and I will see how it tastes. So yummy! This is so the best. Now use this airtight sheet. I keep this for 6 hours or overnight. How much you keep it in the freezer, it will make it more good. Let's see how it will look like after 6 hours from the freezer. Let's see what happened now when 6 hours is done. So yummy. Fantastic. This is so yummy. Now I'll crush these biscuits. So this ice cream will be chocolate chip ice cream, but you could use even Oreos, but I don't have those. Now I'll make my chocolate chip cookie ice cream. First I will get some ice cream. Over this biscuit, I'm gonna put more ice cream. Now I'll mix it. So now I'm done making the chocolate chip cookie ice cream. Now I will make chocolate ice cream. So I melt the chocolate and then put it in the room temperature. So first we have to get some ice cream. Now I'll take some chocolate. Now I will mix my ice cream. This is how my chocolate ice cream looks like. Now I'll make sprinkle ice cream. First I will take an ice cream. Now, so let me tell you which sprinkles I will use. You could use any sprinkles. I'm using this rainbow one and this star one. First I will use the rainbow one. Now I will put some star ones. Now I will mix it. So guys, now this ice cream will be peach ice cream. You could use any ice cream, cherry, mango, banana. I even have cherry, but I will use peach. So I will pour some peach. This is how my peach ice cream looks like. Now it will go my favorite ice cream, M&M ice cream. So I put some ice cream already. So now I will take some M&Ms. Now I will mix them. This is how my M&M ice cream looks like. Now I'll try all 5 ice creams I made. First one I made was biscuit ice cream. So I'm gonna taste it. That was so yummy. Let's move on. So next I made the chocolate ice cream. I think this is my favorite. Next up for the sprinkle ice cream. So yummy. Let's move on. Next is a peach ice cream. Oh my god, this is so yummy. First is my M&M ice cream. These are very easy ice cream to make in your house. You don't have to buy ice cream in the stores so you could waste money. I made from a chocolate chip cookie, chocolate M&M, peach or cherry flavor, and sprinkles. Try them out and eat them, and comments down below how do you like it. Like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Until then, bye!